Got a 2004 JCB 215E backhoe. Got the 4-in-1 split bucket in the front, multi-purpose bucket with flip-over forks attached as well. Of course, this machine is 4-wheel drive, cab with air conditioning. Unit came out of municipality in North Carolina. It's also got Extend-a-hoe in the back. Got about a 24-inch bucket, I believe, somewhere in there. Municipal machine. I think it's only showing 540 hours. They say that the hours are original on it. I don't know that to be a fact, but that's what the municipality said. Original 540 hours. Extend-a-hoe works good. She's in her work clothes. There are a couple of leaks on it we're gonna have to take care of and get it all cleaned up, but it is original paint. Tires on it look good all the way around. '2004 JCB 215E backhoe from the county in North Carolina. Cab air, 4-wheel drive, 4-in-1 split, multi-purpose bucket on the front with forks. Extend-a-hoe in the back, about a 24-inch backhoe bucket. Showing 540